GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about GBP against dollars. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And at the bottom of the video it says grow your money by 135%. So it's the first link below the video which says swing trading on automation. So you can get this EA, install this on your chart and grow your money in 5 years 135% if you have patience. If you want to talk to me, you can book consultation and join the brokers. So you can always join free Telegram. So do all of that, subscribe, like and share. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above the EMA. Daily we are below the EMA. 4 hour we are going through the EMA, or the EMA is going through the price. Okay. Go and watch my Euro USD video. You will understand that Euro USD, GBP USD works in the same direction. Okay. So the daily price in GBP USD is still below the EMA. So we are not looking for longs until this high breaks. That's it. So look for shorts. And if you don't want to deal with this manually, then go and get this EA, the first link below. Set it, forget it, print money for next 5 years and even more. I give you 5 years money back guarantee. Subscribe, like and share.